Here's the news of the day.
Matternet partners with ANRA Technologies to enhance airspace management for its drone delivery service, expanding zero-emission home deliveries across urban areas.
SkyDrive partners with FEAM Aero to enhance maintenance and scalability for its eVTOL aircraft, focusing on regional air mobility in the U.S. market.
UrbanV and Cluster 2 airports have partnered to develop advanced air mobility in Saudi Arabia, focusing on eVTOL services and sustainable vertiport networks.
Joby Aviation has started building its first vertiport at Dubai International Airport, aiming to launch air taxi services across the city by late 2025.
Rotor Trade partners with FEAM Aero to expand helicopter sales and support in the Philippines and Cambodia, enhancing service offerings and market presence.
Life Flight appoints Jeremy Ovens as head of flight operations, bringing 30 years of SAR and EMS expertise to enhance their critical air services.
Icarus Devices' night vision goggle visor, now approved by the U.S. Army, enhances pilot training by simulating degraded visual environments for dynamic in-flight scenarios.
ADS-B's investigation into a fatal R-22 crash in June 2023 found no engine defects or clear cause, highlighting the risks of low-level flight and the importance of proper maintenance documentation.
Autoflug appoints Sylvia Schmenk as VP of Sales, marking a first for the company, leveraging her expertise to drive innovation in aviation safety and defense technology.
Archer hires Dr. Talib Al-Hinai to lead its UAE eVTOL entry, leveraging his tech and aviation expertise to drive the company's launch in Abu Dhabi by 2026.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.